What's up, everybody? Joe and Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today with a new one. This is a 2011 Mercedes E350 with the premium package and sport package. Special order car in Cuprit Brown. Cuprit Brown, which is about I think it was about a $720 option. This car came out of Florida. It was a dealer friend. We worked out a deal for it and picked it up for $4,500. Nice car, beautiful Carfax, 2-owner snowbird car down in Naples. It is a Matic E350. Its original home is Rhode Island, but it has no rust. It stayed in Naples its whole life pretty much. Could use a bath, but I have never seen an E350 in this color. Cuprit Brown. Really like it. It's a pretty color. Interior's in nice shape on this one. We don't have a lot of wear and tear, meaning we do have buttons with actual pictographs on them. We have a driver's seat that does not have the seams torn. Very uncommon. But yeah, this is just a clean jam up E350. We're gonna take her for a ride. Now, this is not my car. This is my brother son's car that's going off to college. He just bought it for him, just got it. And man, it runs like a champion. I believe it has 141,105 miles. So, not bad miles, really, for 2011. Let's take it for a little spin. Okay. Ah, good, reverse camera. I am way out in the country of South Georgia, down at my family's home place that was built in 1900, and we come down here and have a picnic every now and then. And this grass I'm driving on is actually called a road. There's my family. Everybody, hello, hello. This is called Evans Road in Franklin, Georgia. Don't look much like a road, does it? But that's what it is. More like a dirt, grassy path. But it shows up on, navigation, ways out, all that. But we do actually keep these gates. We have a gate on the road, comes around, it does a circle. We keep both gates closed, but we have family down here that lives, across the street and close by. They'll come over and unlock the gate for us when they know we're coming down here to spend a day, whether it be today's my grandmother's 95th birthday, so this is her birthplace. So this is where we chose to come. And you want to talk about rural, it is rural out here. Driving car. Man, oh man, smooth driving car. There's the turn in. We do have a warning for an auxiliary battery malfunction. I've dealt with that before on another old E-Class I had. So I've got to take care of that, or my brother does. One of us, especially before his son goes off to college. He's going to Tennessee. But yeah, this is just a sweet car. So clean. Got the heated seat package. Like I said, got premium package and sport package. So it's got the sport wheels. And then, of course, it's got the good Harman Kardon stereo. And it just drives, I mean, it just drives like a dream. Got nice Michelin tires on it. Nice ice cold air. The only option I wish it did have was cooled seats, but I realize that is a little bit rare on an E350. You've really got to start checking some auction boxes. We're just outside of LaGrange, Georgia, if you were wondering. Yeah, this thing is super, super nice. Running about 60. I do notice it has, right at 60, it does have a little vibration in the steering wheel. Probably need to get a little balance job on the wheels and tires, maybe. It's not horrible, but it's there. Get turned around here. Nice and smooth power. Yeah, definitely need a wheel and tire balance. Might as well just get a rotation and balance. But the cleanliness of this thing, man, you can tell it was just Snowbird owned, elderly owned, just because of the light hand on everything, you know. These buttons always rub completely off, and as you can see, everything is present. It's just so clean. And it runs so good. I really want one of these as my daily driver. Believe it or not, I am kind of tired of the 06 Lexus LS430. I know they're the greatest car in the world, blah, 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 and everybody is looking for one and wanting one, but I'm kind of over it, you know? I'm kind of over it. I'm ready for something that's got some spirit in it, which these E-classes, I love the E211s, 212s, 213s. They're just fabulous cars. And I'd love to find a nice one, you know what I mean? Just find a real nice one. Like this. Be perfect. think our turn is somewhere coming up close. Somewhere close by here. We got a little further to go. Let's see, I believe this is it right here. I mean, look at this road. Okay, asphalt, nothing. Grass. Crazy, huh? Give the 4Matic a workout. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. 2011 Mercedes E350 4Matic. 141,000 miles, just beautiful, no issues car. Picked up for $4,500, man. What a deal for such a beautiful car. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.